Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make dashiki for men easy method. Measure chest, shoulder, and length first, then draft a simple pattern on paper. Cut fabric with 1-inch seam allowances and pin panels together. Sew shoulder seams, attach sleeves, and finish the neckline with bias tape. Press all seams flat and top stitch for a polished look, keeping proportions balanced for a comfortable fit. Start by laying your pattern on the folded fabric so motifs match across the front center. Cut slowly to preserve pattern continuity and double-check grain line alignment. Mark the shoulders and sleeve openings with chalk and add 1-inch seam allowance around all pieces. When cutting sleeves, remember to allow extra width for ease and movement. Keep scrap fabric for pocket tests or facing pieces. Hey friends, if you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making tutorials. Quick recommendation: bento box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers I use for fabric scraps and lunch prep. They save time and mess when sewing. Check the description for the link, deals, and other tools I used in this project. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. With panels pinned, sew the shoulder seams and press them open for a neat finish. Attach sleeves into the armholes, easing fabric evenly and baste if needed to prevent puckers. Stitch side seams in one continuous seam from sleeve hem to garment hem for strength. Finish the neckline with a facing or bias binding and understitch to keep it lying flat. Top stitch hems for stability and a professional touch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.